Today, you learn one great statement in Sanskrit. Please repeat after me. Dhyanam rakshati rakshitam. और एक बार. Dhyanam rakshati rakshitam. It means if you take care of your meditation will take care of you. It's like vriksho rakshati rakshitaha. If you take care of the trees, your trees will take care of you. Similarly, dhyanam rakshati rakshitam. If you take care of your meditation will take care of you. And if you don't take care of meditation, there is nobody to take care of you. You are a loner. You are isolated from the whole. But when you are doing meditation, you are one with the whole. The whole gets to help you. The whole rushes to help you. Only when you are with the whole. When you are not with the whole cannot do anything. In meditation, you become one with the whole. And the whole gives you everything. The whole gives you a whole. This whole meaning comes in one statement, brief statement. Dhyanam rakshati rakshitam. That's all. Dhyanam is meditation. Rakshati means if you take care of. Rakshitam means it will take care of you. Dhyanam rakshati rakshitam. Can you repeat after me? Dhyanam rakshati rakshitam. Again, dhyanam rakshati rakshitam. Again, dhyanam rakshati rakshitam. This is the great statement which gives you everything. The whole subject. The whole truth. We want somebody to take care of us. Who is going to take care of you? Not your parents, not your partners, not your children, not your neighbors, not the gods sitting in the world. Higher, your meditation. You are closing your eyes and observing the becoming one with the breath. Your meditation will take care of you. Because when you are connected to the breath, you are connected to the cosmic energy. When you keep your attention on the breath, then cosmic energy flows into you. You need that cosmic energy to take care of you. Dhyanam, meditation, is nothing but Akash Ganga Snan, taking a shower bath in the cosmic energy. When we were referring to Ganga Snan, we were only referring to this Ganga Snan, not the other Ganga Snan, in the Triveni or in the Allahabad or in the Rishikesh. This is the Ganga Snan. And this Ganga Snan you can take anywhere. In your own home. Close your eyes. The first thing that you have to do when you wake up is to sit on the bed itself. Close your eyes again and start observing the breathing. 1 hour, 2 hours meditation. Then get up and do other work. And before you go to sleep, again the work is meditation. After you wake up from your sleep, the work is meditation.